Apologies, this is the first video of the year. In fact, I've had quite a nasty cold on one thing and another, so it's not quite there yet. But I'm better than I was, thankfully. But I should have been in touch and advised you of that particular issue. Another issue is that I'm now 70. In fact, I'm quite happy to keep doing these reports, but I must say I rather feel bringing somebody else in would be quite a good idea. If anybody has any interest in joining this business, it's a very nice business. It doesn't take too long to run. Revenue is dependent on marketing, basically. The more you market, the more money tends to come in. Anyway, if anybody has an interest, so just drop me an email and we can have a chat about it. That was a bit brief, but obviously not as interesting as that kind of stuff. Right, Bitcoin, it's still rather confused here. I mean, we had saw the low back here, back in September, around 24900. 1, 2, 3. It all gets a bit murky here. That's a 4. This could be a 5 of some sort, but then the 5 is also a bit murky. I mean, it could be here, but no clear form here. So I'm not quite sure what's going on now. It could be the fifth wave was here, perhaps. So maybe the 3, maybe that's a 4, and that's a 5. This is an irregular A, B, C, perhaps, but it really isn't very clear at the moment. Nice spike there, I guess, and there are positives, but the wave pattern at the moment is being somewhat elusive. If anybody has any thoughts, please get in touch. But right now, a bit confused on Bitcoin. Ethereum similar, fairly good 5 there. Regular ABC to there, I think. I mean, that could be a 3, but there was a great big spike there taking out the low. Another spike here, but a very faint spike for some reason. It's all getting a bit odd. I mean, the spikes are encouraging, obviously. I mean, that's quite a decent buying spike if that actually is not some kind of bad tick, which is another possibility. But this is all a bit wishy-washy again. So, I say a nice 5. So let me just expand this chart, see what the longer term shows us. We're sort of making all-time highs, as it were. So, and the 1 and the 2 look fairly clear. I mean, we have got these 2 spikes, assuming they are legitimate. So I'm very positive, but that's all a bit. Again, the wave pattern is not that clear at the moment. Similarly on gold, really, we've got the 5 waves up here, which is encouraging. Let me expand this chart a bit. It's a bit packed up there. So we've got a 5 there, 1, A, B, C, 2 with a new high, which is a sign of strength. Possible 3 to here, then that overlaps with the 1, which is not meant to happen. So again, it's a little bit confusing. I mean, that's a pretty solid spike. That looks impulsive, no clear 1, 2, but otherwise it could be a 4, I suppose. I mean, I guess it could still be, well, of course, it overlaps with 1 as well. So that's a 1, then the 4 is not meant to go below there. So the count again is in disarray, really. There's no clear count on gold either. And we're sort of dithering around at the moment, all being the very short term. I mean, obviously, this and this are both encouraging. But big spike here. This is all a bit dithery. So again, rather hard to form a conclusion on gold at the moment. I remain positive on gold. It's just got to clear away this. Maybe it's rather overbought, as I've been saying for a while now. It just needs to clear away that situation. Right, so I had a big 5 wave up here, up to around $26. Big A wave, I'd say. A, B, C, B wave. So again, I think we're maybe in a C wave decline here. I mean, everything has to work out these overbought, oversold situations. And even though the fundamentals on gold and silver look very good, not that I'm a fundamental expert, of course, but the corrections still need to come in and unravel those conditions. So I think a break below here is a C wave decline. This is 1, 2, 3 is, I think, probably the most likely outcome right now. This is a daily chart, a bit of a spike there, or today, in fact. Sorry, that today. Not sure. Let's see. 5th of, yeah, it probably is actually. Well, yesterday, because it was Saturday, isn't it? But overall, I think I'd look more downside right now. I mean, this is a clear ABC, obviously, so this looks like a C wave at the moment. which could easily take out this low down here, in fact. That's all for today. If anything's useful, back to the report on Tuesday, God willing. As I said, anybody interested in getting involved, or know anybody else who might be interested in getting involved in the business, that would be a good step forward for me, I think. It would be certainly relying on the product, which is always a good thing to do. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.